First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude and thanks to all the donors, faculty and staff, alumni, President Donald Burks, and students that are here today. The generosity and dedication and belief in this institution have made this possible. Without all these contributions and your support, we wouldn't have had the inspiring environment we have today. So as you exit this room later, you'll find a board on the right in the hallway recognizing all of our donors. If you'd like to be a part of that legacy in the future, know that every contribution, big or small, makes a meaningful impact. As a marketing student, I've experienced firsthand how this new facility fosters academic, professional, and personal growth. Take the breakout rooms, for example. They've been a space where I've clocked hours, working on projects with peers, preparing for presentations, sales competitions, and building real-world skills for my future career in marketing. It's a place where clubs like Marketing Association of Plymouth State, the Finance Club, Enactus, which is the entrepreneurship club, and students in professional sales can thrive and have a place to belong in preparing for the professional world. Hyde has become a place for student clubs and organizations to plan community events, gain hands-on experiences, and collaborate together. The Finance Lab, which is behind me, is a very impactful place for both the School of Business, but the Finance program and the Finance Club to feel inspired to work in such a professional environment. The movable classrooms are also great for collaboration, independent work, and accessibility. These are just a few examples of the impact this renovation has had for me and all the students here.